Welcome to the in front of me Nokia G21, and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So let's first open the notification panel, and somewhere here you should find the screen recorder icon. In my case it's here. Now just to launch the screen recorder settings, hold for a while this icon, and after that you'll see here this panel. Just to change the sound settings, we should click here. Now we have selected only the microphone, so just to activate it, click once on the switcher, and now we'll use only microphone, so we can comment something in our screen recording, but the other sound settings from our device like musicals and ringtones, they will mute it. If you wanna use only them, just switch it here to device audio, or also we can use system sounds and microphone together. And if you wanna just mute your screen recording, you should click here once again on this feature, and that's it. And then just to start the screen recording, click here on this button. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.